If you're approaching retirement or already enjoying this new chapter, you're in the right place. Retirement is a significant milestone, a time for new beginnings and enjoying the fruits of your labor. But sometimes, navigating this phase can feel a little uncertain. Today, we're going to explore 5 timeless pillars of wisdom, insights gleaned from those who have walked this path before us. These aren't complicated rules, but rather gentle guiding principles that can help you build a truly fulfilling and happy retirement. Think of them as your trusty companions on this wonderful journey. Let's dive in. Our first cornerstone is the enduring power of staying deeply connected. Think back to the moments in your life that have brought you the most comfort and joy. Chances are, many of them involve the warmth and support of loved ones. As we transition into retirement, the structure of our daily interactions might shift, making it even more vital to intentionally nurture our relationships. This isn't just about casual greetings. It's about cultivating deep, meaningful connections. Make a conscious effort to reach out to family, not just on holidays, but regularly. Share your thoughts, listen to their experiences, and be present in their lives. Reconnect with old friends. Those bonds forged over years hold a unique richness. Join social groups, clubs, or volunteer organizations where you can meet like-minded individuals who share your interests. Embrace technology to bridge distances and stay connected with loved ones who may live far away through video calls and shared online activities. Remember, feeling connected combats feelings of isolation and loneliness, which can sometimes accompany retirement. These relationships are your anchors, providing support, laughter, and a sense of belonging that enriches every day. Invest your time and energy in these precious bonds. They are a cornerstone of a truly happy retirement. Our second essential pillar is the dynamic duo of keeping your body vibrant and your mind engaged. Retirement offers a wonderful opportunity to prioritize your well-being. Think of your body and mind as interconnected partners in this new chapter. Just as a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, so too do our physical and cognitive health require attention. Engage in physical activities that you enjoy and that suit your abilities. This could be as simple as a daily walk, gentle stretching exercises, swimming, or cycling. Regular physical activity not only strengthens your body and helps prevent age-related health issues, but it also boosts your mood and energy levels. Equally important is keeping your mind sharp and active. Challenge yourself with puzzles, crosswords, or Sudoku. Dive into the world of books. Explore new subjects through documentaries or online courses, or learn a new skill, perhaps a musical instrument, a new language, or even coding. Engaging your mind keeps it agile, enhances memory, and adds a sense of intellectual stimulation to your days. Remember, a vibrant body and an engaged mind are key ingredients for a fulfilling and energetic retirement. The third deeply satisfying pillar is the journey of discovering and embracing new purpose. For many years, our professional lives often provided a strong sense of identity and purpose. As we transition into retirement, it's natural to seek new avenues for feeling valued, contributing, and making a difference. This isn't about replacing your career, but rather about rediscovering what truly resonates with you and finding meaningful ways to engage with the world around you. Consider what truly sparks your passion. Is there a cause you deeply care about? Perhaps volunteering your time and skills at a local charity would bring you a sense of fulfillment. Do you have a talent or hobby you've always wanted to explore further? Retirement offers the perfect opportunity to delve into creative pursuits like painting, writing, music, or crafting. Sharing your knowledge and experience by mentoring younger generations can also be incredibly rewarding. Even within your family, taking on new roles as a supportive grandparent or a helpful relative can provide a profound sense of purpose. Finding your new purpose will infuse your retirement with meaning, direction, and a deep sense of satisfaction. Our fourth practical yet crucial pillar is the foundation of cultivating smart and sustainable financial well-being. While retirement is undoubtedly a time to relax and enjoy the rewards of your working years, having a clear and proactive approach to your finances is paramount for long-term peace of mind. Taking the time to understand your income sources, manage your expenses effectively, and plan for the future will allow you to embrace your retirement without unnecessary financial stress. Start by creating a realistic budget that aligns with your lifestyle and ensures your essential needs are met. Explore your retirement income options and understand how they work. If you feel unsure, Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a reputable financial advisor who can provide personalized advice tailored to your situation. Be mindful of your spending habits and look for ways to enjoy life without overextending your resources. Planning for potential future healthcare costs is also an important aspect of financial well-being. Feeling secure in your financial situation provides a solid foundation upon which you can build a happy and worry-free retirement. And finally, our fifth and perhaps most empowering pillar is the art of cultivating a positive mindset and gracefully embracing change. Life is a constant flow of change, and retirement, while a significant transition, is no different. There will be new routines to establish, perhaps some unexpected challenges to navigate, and the landscape of your daily life will evolve. The key to thriving in retirement lies in cultivating a positive outlook and embracing these changes with flexibility and grace. Focus on the many opportunities that retirement presents, the freedom to pursue long-held interests, the time to deepen relationships, and the chance to discover new passions. Practice gratitude for the good things in your life, both big and small. Develop coping mechanisms for dealing with challenges, and remember that setbacks are a natural part of life. Stay open to learning new things and adapting to new circumstances. Maintaining a sense of humor and finding joy in the simple pleasures of each day will significantly enhance your overall well-being. By embracing change with a positive spirit, you can navigate the journey of retirement with resilience, joy, and a deep appreciation for each precious moment. So as you embark on or continue your retirement journey, remember these 5 enduring pillars of wisdom: staying deeply connected, nurturing an active body and mind, discovering renewed purpose, cultivating smart financial well-being, and embracing change with a positive spirit. These aren't just abstract concepts. They are practical pathways to creating a retirement that is rich, meaningful, and filled with joy. By consciously nurturing these aspects of your life, you can build a golden age that truly shines. If you found these insights helpful, please like and subscribe for more content to help you make the most of your retirement years. And remember that you are not alone. If you want to share your experience, leave us a comment. We are going to be happy to know more about you.